Hi everyone, good morning. So today we have a pretty exciting and fun day ahead, and we're going to take you along with us. But we are right now currently making breakfast. It's about 8:30 in the morning, and I'm trying this buttermilk, Bob's Red Mill buttermilk pancake and waffle mix. It's a whole grain mix, so hoping it's a little bit healthier. And yeah, I just been feeling like eating pancakes. The last couple weeks I've been eating pancakes, so I don't know if that's a pregnancy thing or if that's just, I don't know. So that's what we're making right now. And then after this, we are going to be going to our old apartment, and I'm going to take you on a short tour there of our old apartment. And kind of, I also wanted to just document it for my own memory and have that place so we can always remember the memories that we had there. And it just also got clean, so when we see it, it's going to be really spick and span clean. So I'll share with you what that looked like and all of that. And we're also taking Mari on a little bit of a shopping spree as well for her birthday.
At first glance, they look kind of fake.
Do they? They look, is it because I made them really well?
Maybe. Doesn't the color look kind of like like it's a toy pancake?
Maybe. And we also have some fried spam. I mean, not spam, sorry.
What?
We also have some fried ham on the side. And I'm eating papaya, and Reid doesn't like papaya, so he is enjoying orange. Good. What do you think? Like the consistency?
Not bad.
It's a healthier version.
Did you put bananas in here?
I did. I added one banana to the recipe, so.
Yeah, it's good. You can really taste the banana. It's these aren't as fluffy as like when your mom makes them though.
That's true. Good?
Yeah, it's good.
I feel like they're healthier than like Bisquick or, those other brands. So.
They're only as healthy as the amount of sauce you put on it.
That's true. But if you're in a rush, maybe this is a good option. Okay, so we're gonna finish eating, and we will see you after we're done. Hi, Mari. Okay, so what are we shopping for today?
We're shopping for shoes.
Shopping for shoes. Mari wants, what did you say? You want some kind of
some shoes that make me taller.
She wants shoes that make her taller. So we're at Waikele today.
How do you feel being 11?
Just 1 year, more than 10, so I feel a little older. Yeah.
Do you feel wiser?
Well, I feel like I grew.
Like physically or mentally or emotionally?
Physically. And I feel sad because that's 1 year maybe closer to getting my period.
Do you have any aspirations or goals?
What? Oh, my goal?
For being 11?
Just to grow, like, up to my friends, because, I'm the shortest in the class and everything. So, yeah.
Anything else besides growing?
Just being more mature.
You want to be more mature?
I mean, I don't know.
What are your hobbies now at 11? Like, what do you enjoy doing?
I enjoy playing video games with my friends, talking to them online at FaceTime. Yeah. And yeah, that's it.
How's the shoe hunt going?
It's fun. I like this one because it's light and athletic.
How's it feel?
Good. Yeah, I like it.
Walk around in it. Okay, walk around. Now we're at our old place, our apartment that we lived for about 6 years, and it's just, you know, we're coming back here and we just got it cleaned, so it's very nice and clean, but I wanted to just kind of show you around. So this is the entrance, and this is the kitchen that we used to cook in all the time. So really nice. There's dishwasher here and sink, stove, fridge, but definitely a lot smaller than where we live now. So, but yeah, this was a really nice, comfortable place that we would cook in. And really, it could only fit one person at a time because it's kind of small. And then we had these nice storage areas here. This was our pantry area. So this is where we kept all of our food here. We had some other things here, but kind of minimal storage in this place. And when you come in, this is the living room. And this is what it looks like. This is Mari. We just took her shopping. And yeah, and this is a nice view that comes with the place here. You can see golf course on that side. And overall, it's a really pretty nice sized living room. Watched a lot of movies in here. Had people over in here. Reid and I played a lot of chess in here as well. He was lost. But yeah, we had made a lot of good memories in this.
You guys slept here a lot?
Yeah, the kids slept over here a lot. So we really utilized the space very, very well. We had a dining table there and a couch here. And every time, most nights though, we would eat on the ground because, so we would have like a small table and Reid and I would just pretty much eat on the ground every night. And you can see the nice view here. This is the one thing that's really nice about the apartment is this nice view. This is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. So this was one of the bedrooms. We had used this as our office space. We had a desk here. A lot of it for us was storage though. We didn't really utilize the space that well. We had some cabinets here, a shelf here. But yeah, during the pandemic, Reid really used this space as his office and he had a desk here. This is the 2nd bedroom.
And here's the bathroom.
And here's the bathroom. And it's a long bathroom. So shower, toilet, sink, and we had our washing machine and dryer here. So nice space. Did the job for sure. And lastly, we have the master bedroom. And the thing that's cool about this room though that I kind of, miss, well actually we have a walk-in closet now, so maybe I don't, but I liked that there was 2 closets on each side. So Reid had a closet and I also had a closet as well. So there was kind of a lot of storage space for us to put our clothes. And our bed was here and we had a nice shelf over there. Okay, and just so you guys can see my pregnancy belly so far. This is it. It's getting bigger. Oh my gosh, this is my belly. Wow. So this is at how many weeks?
So what name?
26 weeks.
You should have your viewers give like suggestions of your name.
Names? Yeah, we're still trying to pick a name. We haven't decided yet. So Mari said, if you have any name suggestions, you can put it in the comments. But this is the belly, and so far doing good. Reid, how do you feel about the apartment? About leaving the apartment?
I'm glad we left the apartment. This place was too small for us, and we enjoy our place now better, but a lot of good memories here. I lived here alone first before I met Cari, and then she kind of invaded her way in and started living with me. And then we made this a home, so this is nice. This is our first home together, so a lot of memories here.
Okay, so we just got a new fridge in the old apartment, so we are excited about that. But yeah, we're gonna end the video here. Did you have a good birthday?
Yep, it was fine.
Do you wanna say what you got?
I got Adidas athlete shoes, a sweater, and a shirt, like thinner. It's like a thinner sweater, and a Roblox gift card.
Yes, so happy birthday to Mari, and hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Click the bell button and subscribe.
All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.